Jason's with us in Athens, Georgia. Hi, Jason. How are you?
How's it going? Doing well, Dave. Appreciate you taking my call.
Sure, man. What's up in your world?
I've got a question on retirement. I've got kind of a different situation in that I have a hereditary disease. It's called ataxia, and it's going to shorten my life expectancy a lot. I'm 41, and I roughly have about 10 years to go for retirement age where I won't be able to work. And so I'm wondering, should I be putting more into my retirement right now, trying to store that up? We've done all our baby steps and paid off all our debt except our house, and we just have that left. And I just want to know what's the best way to save as much money as I can so I won't be a burden to my wife and my daughter.
Yeah. What's your household income, sir?
We are at $80,000 a year, $86,000 a year.
What do you owe on your home?
We owe $107 left on my house.
And you're 41.
Yes.
And you estimate 10 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, here's the thing. You have a pile of money and you don't have a paid off mortgage, or you have a paid off mortgage and your pile of money isn't as big.
Right.
Both are things that add stability. I mean, the pile of money or the paid off mortgage both add stability. The smaller pile of money and the not paid off mortgage take away stability, right?
Right.
So,
right.
But either one that you do, obviously doing both of them would be best, but either one that you do causes your family to be more stabilized, to take care of them, as you're saying.
Right.
And you know, to prepare for retirement. So, I think what this does is it increases the focus and the intensity with every dollar that you make. But I still think I want my house paid off by that time.
That's us too. That's because I didn't want that to be a burden in any way in the next 10 years for them. And I think within gazelle intensity, we can get it paid off in the next 6 years by throwing a little extra at the principal each month. That would help out a ton.
Yeah, but I think you need to do the 15%, and that way you're going to have, because, you know, that way you're going to have a pretty good liquid nest egg, too. Have you got life insurance on you already?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did all that before I had to go get the tests and stuff. My uncle was an insurance agent back in the day, and so he set us up great on that stuff.
Okay.
One thing
keep all of that in place. How much coverage have you got?
I've got right at $99,000
in life insurance.
In insurance, I did. I wish I'd listened to you before. We do have some whole life, so I got to try to change that over.
I doubt you're going to be changing that. You're probably not insurable.
Yes, and that's true. That's true.
You might be
pre-existing condition.
Yeah, you might be, but I don't know if with what you're describing, a shortened lifespan, you know, would definitely affect life insurance without a doubt. So I think the normal baby steps is probably still best, but certainly, you know, I'm going to put 15% away towards retirement, but I'm going to really lean on that house and say, like you said, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, have that dude knocked out while I'm doing that 15%. It's probably going to mean you don't do some other stuff, but
right.
Those two goals, both of those goals are really, really important in preparing for the storm, which is what you're doing, right?
That's correct.
Yeah. You're a good man, sir. Thank you for thinking about your family the way you are and thinking about yourself in a responsible way. It's an honor to talk to you, and anything I can do to help you anytime, you call me back. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button to get the latest content and check out these other great clips from the show. So you have to break the cycle. You have to flip this thing on its head and make it behave. You've got to get so fired up and wired up that your broke friends think you've lost your mind.